Okay, question 24 is our first question we have about heat flow. So this is going to make use of what will be on the front of every exam, a formula that describes our heat flow. So the amount of heat, amount of heat equals a quantity, the specific heat, multiplied by another quantity, the mass, multiplied by the third quantity, delta T, the change in the temperature that occurs, okay? And what's going to happen in every one of these problems, you'll be given 3 and asked to calculate the fourth. So in this case, we have a 25-gram sample. So we have 25 grams. We have 500 joules of energy. That goes out here, 500 joules. We have the temperature increases by 51 degrees C. So that's going to be over here, 51 degrees C. And then that leaves me with this unknown, which is the specific heat. That's what we're going to calculate. So to do that, we have to get that by itself on one side. And so we want to isolate that by multiplying by things we want to cancel. So 51 degrees C and 25 degrees. So that cancels, but it's an equality. So anything we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So 25 grams multiplied by 51 degrees C. And that will then leave us, these things are gone, so it leaves us with our answer that we need. So we'll do that calculation. Now the number that comes out of my calculator here is 0.392156863. And the units that are left are joules over grams degrees C. So I'm in joules here. My answers and my choices are all in joules. So that's going to be the right answer in the right units, and I need to have to choose how many significant figures. So I've got, this is the division multiplication problem, so I choose the one that has the fewest number of significant digits. 2 digits in 25, 2 digits in 51. How many here? Well, remember, those zeros, because there's no decimal, are not significant. They're estimated. If it's 0 with no decimal point, we figure those are estimated, and this only has 1 significant digit. Therefore, our answer only has 1 significant digit. And so we really want to round that right there, 0.4, and that's what we'd want to leave it, joules per gram degrees C. But if we look over here, this is not, the 2 decimal places, that's not right. The closest answer to this is really this 0.391. And you're going to see this sometimes. You're going to see that it's not exactly the right answer, and that's because of this error that's always present in measurements. We've estimated about 500 joules, so we're pretty close. If we calculate 0.4 and it's really 0.39, there's the answer. That's the best choice. That's the answer for this problem. Okay, for question number 25, we're going to look at these numbers and see which one has the fewest number of significant digits. So that just means identifying how many significant figures in each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no zeros, no problem there. That has 4 significant figures. This one, the zeros are all in between 2 non-zeros. That means they're all significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures there. Now we come to zeros, no decimal here. That means these are estimated, and this only has 2 significant figures. Now we come over here, lots of zeros here. 2 of these hold the place, that's true, but these zeros on the right of the decimal and the right of a non-zero, I measured them, damn it, remember that? So that has all 3 significant figures. So the answer with the fewest is, in fact, 1,200, and that's graded homework 1.